Okay. Ikaw tayo lagi ng bata. J, stage. For the fourth place. Fourth place. Contest another number 17.
Miss Ira Rances from Free Einstein. Advisor, Miss Mignon Cecilia Diego.
Ay. Feeling modern. The prize will be given by the Ate Minister Rubian, our Lieutenant. Thank you very much. Again, the name of the model.
Thank you very much, Miss Ira Rances.
For the third place. It's 13. Number 13.
Para Faye Ilaga from Free Fleming Advisor. Free Fleming Advisor, Mr. Ariston Lorenzo.
Galing! Lahat
Mr.
tayo!
Lorenzo looks very paranoid in her attire.
Jamie! 1, 2, 3!
We have only 2 models left.
Grabe, nagki-KJ ti Galen! KJ! KJ Galen!
2 models left, number 9 and number 11. Sige na. Palakasan. Palakasan ng palaktak. Sino nagsasabing ang best model natin ay number 9? At sino naman ang nagsasabing ang best model natin ay number 11? Let it known that the public is correct. Ay, kayo judge. At our second place, second best model is number 9.
Jamie Nalukta from Four Gallon. Designers and artists, Four Gallon. Go, Four Gallon.
Advisor, advisor is Sir Adrian Saraos. Not interested to join the picture taking.
Thank you, Jamie Nalukta.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, first time in history that we have a best model, a very model, and that is model number 11.
Arnaldo Bingbong Bulaon Jr. from Free Television. Advisor, Mr. Destin Santos. William.
May we have a recap of the winners? Adrian, may we have a recap? The fifth best model is number 7.
Miss Shaira Centeno.
Advisor.
Advisor, Mr. Dusty Santos.
Fourth best model is number 17.
Denise Ira Rances from Free Einstein. Advisor, Miss Mignon Cecilia Diego.
The third best is number 13.
Shaira Faye Ilaga, Para Faye Ilaga from Free Fleming. Advisor, Mr. Ariston Lorenzo.
Our second best is number 9.
Jamie Lalukta from Fort Gallen. Advisor, yours truly.
And the best among the best is number 11.
Mr. Armando Jr. Mulao Jr. from Free Calvin. Advisor, Mr. Dusty Santos.
Ginalaw na yung salita.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay. We would like you to know that we enjoy judging the competition. Officers, may we have the votes for the king and queen?